Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Medicare card in Australia. So first, in your search bar, head over and type in enrolling in Medicare. And in the search results, you should see a link that is named enrolling in Medicare. So just click on this. You will then be redirected to Services Australia's official webpage. So from here, just click on how to enroll link. And here you can see two options to apply or enroll. You can do it online through MyGov, or you can also do it by completing a Medicare enrollment form. To do it online, you have to basically sign in to your MyGov account. So just click on this button. And here, just make sure that you sign in with your credentials, or you can also start creating a new account if you don't have an existing one. And once logged in, you should be able to enroll easily with your account. And another option is enrolling with the form. Here you can see a link for the Medicare enrollment form, so just click on this link. Now from here, just click on this link to download the form. So all you have to do is fill out the form. So also make sure that your documents are in this formats and make sure that you follow the sizes and it's not password protected or in a WinZip or RAR file. And once done, you can mail or email it by following this link. And here you can see the address where you can mail the application, or you can also send it to their email in this email address. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!